Hi, Tech Coach Gina here, and today I'm going to show you how to create Facebook polls in a private Facebook group. So here I'm in Facebook, and I'm going to click on my link for business owners who use technology smarter. This is a hub for business owners who are looking for tech tips and sharing what they know with other people. Now, I don't often post polls in this group, but getting feedback from your audience is a great way to create programs that are tailored exactly for what your audience needs. So I'm going to post a poll. I'm going to click on poll. You'll need to be an admin of your group before you can do this. So I'm just going to add a little bit of text here. Okay, and here you can add options. So option 1, I'm going to put WordPress because I am promoting this WordPress training right now. Christina Hills is excellent at teaching websites to non-techies, and I'm on her team, so I support her students, and this is an opportunity to learn more. So in the comments after this video, please register if you're interested in making your own beautiful website. So I'm going to put WordPress. And then I have a few other playlists in YouTube. This is my YouTube channel, and I have a number of playlists. So WordPress, Divi is a theme for WordPress, JVs, Canva, Lifter LMS, ConvertKit, Copyright. So I'm going to add some of these to my poll. So Divi is an advanced page builder theme, and it does not have a free version of the theme, so you'll have to purchase it if you're wanting to use it. We've got, I don't know if I want to have JVs on here. I think I'm going to put systems. So Canva, Lifter LMS. Let's see. DocuSign, Zoom, WooCommerce, WP Affiliate. Let's see, I'm going to put ConvertKit and affiliate marketing. And you can add more options. Here's a gear icon here, so allow people to choose multiple answers, allow anyone to add options. I think that's fine. So I'm going to post this. You can also schedule it, so if you want to schedule this for a later date and time, you can, or you can just post it right now. And I'm going to post it right now. I don't like to post things anonymously, but you can if it's a sensitive question. So here, when people answer the poll questions, then they will start to tally here. The people who respond will have a percentage right here, so it'll be interesting. And then you can also view insights of your page and your poll. And so right now nobody's responded, so I can check back later and look at the post and see how many people reply and what percentages are in each category. And that can guide me on what other videos people might want to see. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so that you don't miss the next tech video. And also let me know in the comments what other trainings you'd like to see. Would you like to see more on WordPress, like this training by Christina Hills? And don't forget to opt in for this if you're interested in this training. Or would you like to perhaps see more things in these playlists? Let me know in the comments. Have a great day.